Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Doing another outfit of the day. Today it is going to be like partly cloudy but mostly sunny. Somewhere in the 40s. So I'm layering up instead of wearing a heavy coat. So what I have on today is my Banana Republic blazer. It's an oversized blazer, but I did size down with it because I didn't want it to be like huge and falling off of me. I just don't look good in oversized blazers. I also have on my Gap denim shirt. I think it's called the Gap Western shirt. Now this shirt is not as fitted as I would have liked. I do like the color. And I do have another shirt on under it. It's just my Gap favorite crew neck t-shirt, short sleeve. And again, the top shirt is the Gap denim. I think it's the Western denim shirt. But I'll have everything linked in the description. The jeans that I have on today are my EVERLANE Cheeky Jeans. They are the high-waisted cheeky jeans and the ankle length. So this is how high my waist is right here, and the jean comes up, you know, this high. It's 90%, the content of the denim is 98% cotton, 2% elastane. So I just got my regular size, which is a 33 or a size 16. There is no distressing on these jeans. They're just except at the cuff, they are the raw edge. So this is the other side. All pockets work. These are really, really nice. It's actually the first time I'm wearing it. And like I said, my jacket is Banana Republic. There's no lining in the jacket. It is black. It does have pockets and one button, and it's a single-breasted jacket. So let me just fix myself up. Like I said, this is a single-breasted jacket. The sleeves are nice and long. There is a little slit right here on the at the wrist, on either side of the jacket. This is a really nice, it's not jacket, it's not all wool. I think it's like 60% wool, 40%, or 40 or somewhere around there percent polyester. It's a wool blend jacket, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But again, I'll link all of that in the description. Today I am carrying my Coach Cassie in the color Oxblood. So let me just put the whole look together for you. And this scarf, I think I got this scarf from TJ Maxx. And of course it's blue. Love the color blue, it's my favorite color. So this is the way that I would wrap it around with this jacket. Put my bag on. And then my sneakers are my black and white Vans again. So this is the look for the day, or the outfit for the day. Let me just back up so that you can get the whole thing in. I thank you so much for watching, and please have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.